Okay, so we're gonna continue with this demo, I guess. Okay, so now once you have your repository in, you have master its status. You can see we are on Joseph edits. This is the branch that we changed to. I actually didn't show you how to change that. Let me show you that real quick. Okay, so one of the things you'll see right here. So if you've pulled down a branch, this is actually one of the things that Git will show you. But I'm going to show you all the different commands that we can do with Git right here. Give you a brief overview of them so that you can use them at different points. But what it wants me to do is do a pull. Basically, this is when you want to take code from a different place than where you're at. And so in our case, we're pulling down from the cloud, from Bitbucket, onto our computer so that we can have the most current edits. So I'm just going to do git pull, hit enter, and it's going to ask for my password, so I'm going to give it to it. Again, I have a very complex password. Copy that real quick. Where are you? Enter. Okay, then it'll pull any of the changes that need to be done. Sometimes you'll have made changes and it'll have issues with merging. In that case, what you might need to do is stash your current changes, but we're not going to worry about that right now. Then we'll do a git status again. We are on master and we're up to date with origin master. Okay. Git status again is what you do when you just want to find out the status of everything, of the edits that you've made. And I'll show you a little bit more uses of that. But for now, what we're going to do is we're going to do change what branch we're on. So to view all the branches, you do git branch -a, and I'll show you all the different branches. As you see, there's one other one. This is actually a previous commit that Lance did, where he made some edits, he pushed his branch up, and we just barely merged it. We haven't deleted it. We probably should delete it. But the one that we wanted to do was this edit right here. We wanted to use this branch that we just created up in Bitbucket so that we can make changes. So what we're going to do is do git checkout. Checkout is how you change branches, and we're going to do the name of the branch. And if I do Joseph edits, you'll see it's like there's no path there. You actually have to, if you say a feature type, if you just do other, then you don't have to worry about it. But you have to actually do git checkout feature / Joseph edits, so that you can check out the specific branch, because it creates like a file directory for it when you specify which one it is. So we'll do git status right here, and we'll see that this is up to date with this branch at least. It hasn't been compared to master yet. What we're going to do is we're going to make some edits in this, and we're going to show you guys the basic ways of doing a commit. So once you've like cloned things down and you've made a different branch and you're ready to start editing the branch and make your changes, what you do is you go to your favorite IDE or your development interface, how you like to develop, and you will you'll start editing your code in it. So I'm going to go to Visual Studio Code. This is probably the most common one that people use in the lab, and I'm going to go to the folder that I have that. So I have it in here. See, this is the onboarding repository right here.